Hi Natural Vision team, my name is Asha Shivram. I live in the Netherlands, and I thank your whole team for a wonderful summit. It was very insightful, and I'm very grateful that I got to know about so many vision teachers who are doing their best to help people suffering from vision problems all over the world. And I in particular learned the importance of the mind body connect, and also to observe vision more in terms of depth and colors. And I think my takeaway would be to rest my eyes more, either in terms of palming or sleeping early or eating hydrating foods. So I have already been practicing this, but I'm inspired now to be more consistent and do it with full faith in my body. So this was the key takeaway for me, and I hope that through your team we will be able to hear all these wonderful teachers again in the very near future in any other upcoming summit. And thank you all once again, and hope that I am able to meet some of you in person sometime, somewhere. Thank you, and good luck for all the future summits.